Pumintri rangba kajalau konrad ke sangma, hene kesngi uloong babaro hi kitip baka Sohra bat Kiwei ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei ki badan hakajala kidei ki Burom baha ye ki Nongwan Jngohkai Pyrthei. Kumta uloong baka jinjai ki arngut ki shikurim ne indur ki baja Sohra kanum kta setia ye ke Burom jong kajala uloong ru bakum kajala kan shimkhia ban pet baka hok kan pa.
You see, it's an unfortunate incident, and obviously, some people may try to bring that into the factor. But we all know that Sohra and the entire state of Meghalaya has always been known for pro tourism activities. Yes, there are incidents once in a while that does happen, but at large, overall, we have seen that Meghalaya and its people are very, very receptive to tourists. Again, I'm saying it with a caveat that yes, there could be one or two incidents in the past also. Nothing major the way it has happened. There could have been past incidents, but majority of the cases, this small incidents earlier, I'm not talking about this is a very big incident, but I'm talking about other old smaller incidents that happened. A lot of things happen in many states, in many countries around the world. In fact, it's not just Meghalaya has faced challenges, and comparatively we have faced less challenges, I should say, and we have been doing far better when it comes to tourism. That's why a large number of tourists, even to today, are coming to Meghalaya. So there are challenges, but I'm sure that we will overcome these challenges. Regarding this incident, as I said, yes, it has been a huge, unfortunate incident for us. But as I said, we will move forward, and we will ensure that number one, justice is done, and we will also ensure that number two, that more measures are taken in the future, so that more and more of our community people and systems are enhanced in the future, so that no such incidents should ever happen in Meghalaya.
Can you update on the incident?